In today's video, I picked up a set of Harbor Freight sawhorses, the metal kinds. They're extremely inexpensive and seemed like better than anything I could get at Home Depot or Lowe's. So I picked these up. They're all metal. They can hold a lot of weight, and my plan is to put the widgeon, the O'Day widgeon sailboat. I'm going to flip it up and put it upside down for some storage during the winter while we rehab the trailer. In this video, you'll just see a quick time lapse of me assembling the sawhorses. I didn't really follow the instructions because they were basically useless, as you can see here. As you can see here, I have the instruction sheet out. There's a couple pages. It doesn't really tell you what bolts are what. It kind of just gives you a visual picture of where everything is supposed to go. If you're fairly handy, you can probably figure all this out on your own without the need of the manual anyways. So I ended up with a little bit of extra hardware, but everything works fine, so I'm not too concerned about it. So I would just advise just doing your own thing and making it work. But besides that, I had all the parts necessary to build it, and the fitment was good, as you'll see in the following video. Just a few side notes on the assembly of this particular sawhorses. You're going to want to assemble them with all the bolts loose initially, and then tighten them up later, or else you'll never get all the holes to line up on the complete assembly. As you can see, I'm not going to plan to use the original wooden, it's not even wooden, it's just a crappy like MDF type material that they put on top. I'm going to leave this outside, so that would just swell up to 3 times its size and turn into cardboard real quick. So I'm going to refrain from using that for this particular application, and I wanted to make it wider so it would fit the whole boat on there, since the boat's wider than the sawhorses. So I'm drilling new holes in the top of the sawhorses to allow me to mount the new piece of wood. As the original holes you can't access unless the whole thing is disassembled and you have to mount the wood pieces first. I didn't really want to do that, so I decided to do this later on and just drill new holes so I can have access to just screwing a piece of wood in. overall, these Harbor Freight sawhorses has proven to be a really good asset to many different things. Even when I'm done with using them for the boat, I plan to use them for many other things, including other woodworking projects and everything else. So in the final picture here is the widget on the boat. The boat weighs about 220 pounds, and it fits quite nicely across it, and they seem very supportive, and I think they'll hold up quite well outside in the elements. They have a good thick coat of paint, so we'll see what time tells and how well they hold up. Thanks for watching.